starting the fabrication process for the AFO, Subtalar Neutral. We've taken the molding dummies right out of the package, and I think this is where you'll find it'll save you time. We've pre-contoured the FC2 to try to follow the contours of the ankle. I like to start with the lateral molding dummy first. You notice how it fits well at the proximal, but then we have the gapping on the distal. So we're going to remove all the material at the axis and bring that molding dummy in to eliminate the bulk. Let's take a look at the plantar surface. Lateral molding dummy looks relatively square. Since we have the prominent navicular, we're going to remove the anterior distal aspects to square that up. I wanted to highlight the areas that we're going to remove. We want to keep that nice concave look, so we're going to scoop out that area almost like you're getting ice cream. But we want to be sure that we don't go past that line, because we need a good vac on the FC2. Since the medial malleolus, the navicular, is so prominent, we're going to remove a lot of the anterior, probably not touch the posterior. So you can use your Troutman or your drum sander. The lateral molding dummy, we've removed most of the area just distal the malleolus. Medially, you can see how we've removed almost all the anterior but not touched the posterior. I've taken some molding dummies right out of the bag and put them together as if they're square. And if we look at the ones where we just removed the material, you can see how we opened up that area. Try to remove the bulk, keep a nice low profile look. So you can tell now how we have a more intimate fit. And looking at the plantar surface, how they're just about square. If you do have some gapping, you're probably going to want to use a little clay, but throw a vacuum hose over it and go ahead and vac. What I like about with the dummies, if you're not using a pad, and if you don't cut through them with the bandsaw, you can reuse them.